Quick report on T11ODP. So this is where we're at. Doesn't look like a car anymore, does it? So chain is, well, the chain's down there. The head will be off probably the next hour, and we'll get the head sent across to be reconditioned. So that's where we are at the moment. All right, quick update for you. So pistons have been removed, the bores have been honed, so the pistons will go back in shortly. We've just got the head back from cylinder head services. This has been slightly skimmed. All the valves were taken out, all cleaned, so it's all like a new pin now. Reseat the valves, new valve stem seals, and that's ready to go on. So by the end of the day, with the following wind, this engine should be running. The other thing we've got to do is remove this oil filter housing. So this leaks around here, and it's got a bolt, a bolt, a bolt, a bolt, and nothing there. So this is going to be taken off, cleaned, new seals on it, and that'll go back on as well. So now pistons are in and they're all clean. New piston rings, new big end bearings. So new cylinder head gaskets going on. Go the right around. And now the head will go on, get torqued up, and then the chain will go on.